Hi everybody, welcome to another weather vlog, and this is to talk about the storm. On Sunday night, we have about 4 to 6 inches of snow in our area. It started as rain, it quickly changed to snow. It was very intense. It was a very quick moving storm, so it was out a few hours later. And Yeah, now we are dealing with the cold. It is about 14 degrees right now in our area. It's supposed to go to up to 21, but it's going to be like this for the rest of the week. But yeah, as you can see, if you look behind me, it is nice and white, and we love it. So thank you for watching, and I'll probably do a longer video later, but thank you. Bye.